Hey guys, Kevin Lacey, Bo Lacey Construction, experience you can trust, done right on time. So big topic today is icicles, ice damming, and just ice in your gutter or on top of your gutter guards or in your roof. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to pan and take a look at these gutters and look how nice they are. No icicles up there. What does that mean? Which means, is the ventilation correct? Yeah, it's ventilated, right? It's got intake vents, got a ridge vent. Do we have a nice amount of insulation in the attic? We do. That helps prevent ice damming. And the third thing is, underneath the shingles, you put ice and water shield. That's a waterproof membrane that if an icicle does form, then it builds up and it soaks through your shingle and you can get it in your house. So everybody looks at this building. This is Bo Lacey on 42, and you look at it and you think, wow, this must be ventilated right, must be insulated right. There's no icicles on this house. Well, let's take a look around back, because there's a different story back there. So, as we walk around the building, and we get on the north side facing part of the building, you see this, which is a mass amount of icicles, a mass amount of ice inside the gutter. A perfect representation of an ice dam is what this is. Okay, we even broke some of the icicles off so you guys could see it. So why is it on the front of the house or the office there's no icicles, in the back is overran with icicles? Well, the reason is the ventilation's the same on the front and back of this building, okay? The insulation is the same on the front and the back of this building. The difference is the sun. The sun is hitting the front of this building, but is not hitting the rear. So as it melts the snow on the roof, turns that snow into water, water runs down on the backside, it hits the shaded area where there is no sun and it freezes when it hits the gutter. The gutter is going to be at a lower temperature because there is no sun hitting it. On the front of the building, however, where the sun is hitting the gutter, it's heating that gutter up just enough to be above freezing, and that's why you're not seeing any icicles or ice damming on the front of the building. Matter of fact, you can hear the water still draining in the gutter and the downspout on the front of the building, where obviously here it's overran, it's dripping off the icicles as the water runs. So once it hits outside cold, it starts to form these icicles. As you can see, it drips off. This gets longer and longer and longer, and sometimes it even goes all the way to the ground. Sometimes you look at your downspout down here, completely frozen over. And there's nothing that you really can do other than putting heat strips, or there's even a heated drip edge that you can use to install on this. The heated drip edge is acceptable to shingle manufacturers. However, the heated strips are not, because they ruin the shingles. They can overheat the shingles. So what do we recommend? Well, we don't recommend a whole lot other than putting ice and water shield underneath the shingle, and hopefully we don't have a really bad winter like we are right now, where the mass amounts of snow is building up. So if you guys have questions, put in the comments. Thanks for guys for watching. Bo Lacey Construction, experience you can trust, done right on time.